respond how you want to. 76% of favor shot at you over you.
That's wonderful. It would be that. You are right.
I'm surprised. I'm never the favorite.
You knew you was gonna be the favorite. On Kings versus Queens, the guys is always the favorite until they get their ass kicked, and then it's something different. Then we gonna lose on the app tomorrow, and then when they go on fucking the real app, then the women's gonna win. That's what always happens.
App is the real app.
That's what happens all the time.
I'm gonna win that too.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna win it. Better, Shooney.
No, you're not, brother. I'm telling you, shit. You're not gonna win. You might win the first.
I'm gonna win the first. I'm gonna win the third too.
There's no way you win the third, bro.
I said like it's like I got it. It's no way like. Hey, go for the first two.
Okay.
That's bullshit.
Stick with first.
I'm not worried.
That shit, that's good. And he
I'm really not worried though.
I ain't gonna say
You're not worried at all?
Nah, she think I'm like.
It should
I'm
be.
not worried.
Where's the respect?
That's me though. And I'm like, I'm not bad. Like I'm still in it. You know what I'm
But
saying?
it's okay, because the camera's on, but we know when the camera wasn't off. As soon as we
I was
started
pacing.
talking, yeah, you put your headphones on, you
I
started
had to get
moving
back.
right. You got a little
I
nervous.
realized I gotta get
Niggas
Shooney
invited you
the
out,
whole
you was like, I'm going out as soon as I started talking. Yeah, I ain't going out.
You know what I'm saying?
I know we can watch
I
it.
wasn't
You know what I'm saying?
gonna go out. You know what I'm saying? Come in. You know what I'm saying?
So now you want to act
Then
like
Shooney
you're not
like
worried at
try
all.
to make